So if you're motivated, you have something that you want to build, just go out and build it. All right, so here we have a game by Alex W. Now this is a Python project, and I know what you're already thinking. It's just some text on the screen. Why is this amazing? Well, wait for it. So we can go ahead and enter to continue. So I'm gonna hit enter. Cool, enter to continue, awesome. Okay, you have 100 health and you are at 0, 0. Alex is tracking our position in the game. Now, Python does not have an easy way to make a map with a coordinate system that you can track in just pure Python. You would have to use something like Pygame or any other libraries, but this is written in base Python, which is really, really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and go north here, and you can see that my X stays the same. It's still at 0, but my Y increases to 1. Alex is actually tracking our position in space on the map in Python, which is so amazing. So Alex does not know how to make a multi-dimensional array, or in Python, a dictionary that is gonna track the coordinate system that he sets up for a map and do all this fancy math. He doesn't know how to do that, and that's fine. He used the skills he has to create crazy if statements to track X and Y separately. Just because Alex didn't know this crazy advanced math way to do a thing he wanted to do, he took the skills that he has and applied them to the game he wanted to build, which is incredible. Alex, I am so proud of you for this. This shows real creativity, ingenuity, cleverness. This is awesome, Alex. I am blown away by how incredible this game is, knowing what you know. So just because you don't know how to do the crazy advanced math way for a specific task, if you know something, you can probably get your knowledge to fit what you want to build. So if you're motivated, you have something that you want to build, just go out and build it. You don't have to take 6 courses and get a PhD in engineering and all of that. If you just have an idea in your mind, build it, and I want to see it.